Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can fix book not available on the Books app of iPhone. So for that, first of all, obviously you need to navigate to this Books app of your iPhone and just click on that. And over here you'll have to go to the search icon over here and search for the book which you want to search. For example, if I search for Harry Potter, and now you can see that Harry Potter is not available in the list of books. Like, you can just scroll down but you cannot find Harry Potter. So what you have to do is open your Safari and write down Harry Potter PDF download, and just click on that. There you'll see that the book will be downloaded in the files of your phone. So in your files, go and click on download. Over here the book will be there. You can open that with the Books app. Once you open that from the Books app, you'll be able to see that book is displayed over here. So that is how you can download the books that are not available on the Books app, or how you can fix the books not available error. So that is how you can fix that problem. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.